What vegetables should be planted starting in March? Yes, in March we are still dependent on the weather. Because of those famous spring showers, there are certain vegetables that are not afraid of the cold at all. That's the case for everything that is bulbous. So, onions, colored onions, red onions, white onions, yellow onions, the famous mulhouse onions, everything related to shallots is planted in March. Spring garlic, pink garlic. In March we can already try a few pots of potatoes. So for that we will use sprouted potatoes, early varieties, 60-70 days. Let's cite a few examples, La Belle de Fontaine or La Sirte Ma. But if we want to speed up production and protect them against frost, it is imperative to protect them under shelter. In March, plant asparagus, crowns, sunchokes, crossons and lettuce. You can find them near the potato plants in garden centers. Also, take advantage of March to plant sunchoke and crossnut tubers. If you want to enjoy crunchy and crispy salads in May, you absolutely need to plant lettuce starting in March under a winter cover. It's not too late. To enjoy strawberries this summer, all you need to do is plant strawberry plants. Now, they are ready in pots at garden centers. So those were the main vegetables to plant in March, vegetables that can withstand cooler temperatures. Around 0 degrees,